Have you ever made some motion graphics and you looked at them and you said, gosh, I feel like something's off. I feel like for some reason it just doesn't look professional and I can't quite put my finger on it. Maybe you've looked at other graphics and you go, wow, those look good, and I just don't know why mine doesn't look that good. Maybe you know how to make animations or create elements inside of DaVinci Resolve, but you feel like you don't really know how to make them look great. Well, the main ingredient in good motion graphics is good design. And that's exactly what we teach in our course, Visual Design Essentials in Fusion. This is made specifically to help you create motion graphics that look genuinely professional in DaVinci Resolve. You have to have good lighting. We focus on Fusion, but a lot of these concepts translate perfectly to graphic design, animation, and even cinematography. We have this little title. Other courses and videos might focus on the technical side, which buttons to press, what sliders to move. But this course is all about making compositions that look gorgeous. We look at what differentiates an okay composition from one that people will pay for and genuinely admire. And this is really important for motion graphics because they're generally only on screen for like a second or two. We talk about graphic design concepts and traditional art principles within the context of motion graphics, smashing those worlds together so you'll never look at your graphics the same way again. We break everything down into the most essential design concepts, from nailing the tone so that the emotional and visual message you project is the right one. You think of green as nature, growth, and harmony. We learn how to guide a viewer's eye using contrast and size and positioning, how to control balance in a composition, the weight of things on screen, how we can make your designs feel cohesive and exciting, looks cool, looks playful, and all the little things that we can do to polish your visuals. Things like adding textures and 3D elements and all the fun little sprinkles. This course is recorded from group sessions that we have with real students. That means you benefit from the questions that they asked, and when they learn, you learn. Does red actually mean, exciting and urgent and everything in their culture? By the end of this course, you're going to have a solid grasp of the visual design principles needed to create professional looking motion graphics. And you'll understand how to apply these concepts to any project, whether it's a Fusion composition or an animation or a poster or even just designing a logo. These are timeless concepts that are going to make everything that you do visually better forever. And if at the end of this course you don't feel like you're making noticeably better designs, we'll give you your money back, so you can try it risk-free. It's called Visual Design Essentials in Fusion. It helps you make better graphics, and it's available now. All you have to do is click that link in the description. You'll get instant access, and yeah, I'll see you in the course. And we'll make better stuff together. We'll make visual goodness together. We'll make beautiful, I guess not music, beautiful visuals. We'll make beautiful visuals together. I love that.